by which we're gonna learn space recognition, hand-eye coordination, and mathematical abilities. We have several blocks in different shapes and sizes. And you can create several designs like this. And there are some more here. You can create these objects using the blocks. It's made up of natural wood. It has original designs and is handcrafted. It has 100 pieces and it's for kids age 1+. Now let's open the box and let's see what's inside. Let's take them out. This is a pack of light green wooden blocks. It has different shapes. Next we have a pack of beautiful yellow cubes. Then we have nice bright orange color blocks. And the next we have a pack of red wooden blocks. Wow, I love this color, the blue color blocks. And then we have a pack of natural wood blocks. And then there's another pack of natural wooden blocks. Natural wood color, light green, yellow, orange, red, blue, and natural wood. These are the blocks we have now. We're gonna make different objects using this, and it's gonna be so much fun! And learning too! So here are the blocks that we have in different colors and shapes. For example, this is a red color triangle shape. We don't have triangles in the orange, neither in yellow, not even in the green, not even in the blue ones. We only have triangles in the color red. This is an orange color cuboid. We have cuboids in red color. We have a longer cuboid. We have the longer cuboids in orange too. When we see it from the side, it looks like a square. But when we see it from the front, it is a rectangle. So we're gonna keep it here like this. We also have cuboids in green. And we have cuboids in blue too. We have small cuboids. And we also have the broader cuboids. When we see from the side, it is a square. And when we see from the front, it's a cuboid. We have cubes in color red, which means that all the sides are equal in a cube. We have cubes in orange color too. This is an orange cube. We also have cubes in the yellow color. We don't have cubes in the green color. We don't have square cubes in the green color, but we do have them in the color blue. This is a blue color cube. We also have a cube in the natural wooden color. We have a cylindrical shaped block in the natural wooden color, which looks like this. From the side, it looks like a circle, and from the front, it is a cylindrical shape. We don't have cylindrical shape in the orange, neither in yellow, nor in the blue ones. But yes, we have it in the color green. There it is. It is a cylindrical block. From the side, it looks like a circle. And from the front, it is a cylindrical shape. Then we have a semicircle block in the natural wooden color. We don't have semicircle blocks in red, neither in the orange, nor in the yellow. But yes, we have in green. This is a green semicircle block. And then we have this block, which is a carved semicircle from the side. From the top, it is a rectangle. And from the side, it's a square. We're gonna use this block in different creative ways. So these are the shapes we have. And now we're gonna make objects using the shapes. Let's make a fish. For which, let's first gather all the blocks that we would require. So I have taken an orange cuboid and a green cuboid and another orange cuboid. So we have 2 orange and 1 green cuboid. Then I'm taking a red triangle, a big triangle, and then a small red triangle. Now let's make the fish. So we're gonna keep the cuboid like this, and then place the green one, and then another orange one. Now the 3 cuboids make the body of the fish. The big red triangle that we took, we're gonna put it here, like this. So this is gonna be the head of the fish. Now let's make the tail, for which we're gonna use the smaller triangle. And that's the tail. And we're gonna place it after the 3 cuboids. Can you tell what is this? This is a fish. It swims in water